Welcome back, everyone. A real quick video today highlighting Angelwax Absolution. It's a specialist fabric rug upholstery cleaner. If you're looking for something to add to your arsenal to help you out with spot removal, really soiled cloth seats or floor mats, this may help you as it's helped me. I'm not the hugest fan of interiors to begin with. This helps me get through it rather quickly and move on to the exterior, which is my favorite part of the detail. So let's take a look at Angelwax Absolution. Angelwax Absolution, a specialist carpet and upholstery cleaner, 16 ounces for $16.99. It's formulated to go after tough, stubborn stains on all types of carpeting, upholstery, fabric. Absolution is a concentrate. It contains powerful surfactants that go after dirt, oil, and real tough stains quickly and effectively. You can use it in many ways. I'll show you a few right here. It is a clear, thin liquid, has a great scent. I add about an ounce, ounce and a half into the IK foamer and use it as a foamer to pre-treat carpeting, upholstery, cloth seats. You could put an ounce or two in your extractor, steamer, in a bucket of water if you just have your brushes setting in there and scrub the floor mats. You can also use it in the Kraus & Becker, which I'll show you shortly after this demonstration. I also went ahead, added a full ounce into a warm bucket of water, which also contains all my scrub brushes. This is the floor mat, heavily stained, nasty. Let me cover half of it, pre-treat it, clean it quickly, show you how quickly it breaks up the stain and removes the stain. We'll remove the other side and you'll see the difference, the 50-50. So I'll pre-treat it. I'll let the foam sit on top for somewhere in between 5 and 10 minutes. Then I'm going to grab my scrub brush and you're going to see just how quick and easy it is to remove that stain. The good thing about Absolution, no need to rinse the surfactants out entirely, like some of the hardcore cleaners you can use. It will dry soft to the feel, subtle. It'll have a great scent to it. When I'm through cleaning, I'll thoroughly vac it, then I'll run a dry microfiber over it, mop up as much moisture as I can, and just let it sit to dry. And that's it. Hardly any effort whatsoever. And it cleaned and did a real good job. And that's how the Absolution helps me. And again, it can be used in many different ways. I'll show you another way here. I team up the Kraus & Becker with the IK foamer, pre-treat it, and then come after some real nasty, badly stained seats or carpeting with the Kraus & Becker. I'm also going to add an ounce or an ounce and a half to that bucket as well, prime the unit, and get cleaning. Okay, so we have Absolution flowing through the system here, through the tool. It's primed and ready to go. We have some heavily soiled, stained seats, and it's mostly out towards the edge or the outside of the seats. So that's where I'm going to pre-treat it the most, and that's where I'm going to hit it with the Kraus & Becker as well. We're not going to oversaturate. We don't want to push moisture down into the foam padding. It'll take forever to dry. It'll also wick and restain the seat. The most common mistake made on a fresh spill or freshly stained seats, oversaturation. There's a tendency to grab a ton of hot water, soapy water, and dump it on there. I'm telling you, that just pushes whatever did the staining or whatever the spill was to go down into the cushion or down into the base of the rug, of the carpeting, of the floor mat. And it's going to make it a lot worse, and it's going to make the job more time consuming and more expensive. So I took the Kraus & Becker and I hit the outside or the edge of the seat where a lot of the staining was, and I'm going to bring or pull the soapy water or the Absolution into the center using my scrub brush. And when I am satisfied that the stains are removed, I'll grab the vac as quick as I can, and all the moisture is going to be topical, so I'm going to pull that up into the vac, and then I'll follow that up with a dry microfiber. In no time at all, the seat will be dried, the cushion will be dry, it'll be ready to be driven, to sit on, and good to go. I get asked if the IK or the Kraus & Becker pump too much moisture into the seat or the rug or the floor mat. These two tools have a lot more bark than bite. A lot of foam, but it's a dry foam attachment I have in the IK foamer. And the Kraus & Becker looks like a lot more moisture than it is. It's mostly just a fine mist. So no, you're not oversaturating. There's just enough moisture and soap and upholstery cleaner to get the job done. You could pull it out from there easily. Okay, so this is a great example here. What happens if after the first pass, a little bit of the stain remains? Well, I'm not going to soak it. I'm just going to bring the IK foamer and that dry foam attachment, which is on it. I'm going to bring that back in and pre-treat the area, that little area that's stained, where the stain remains. Let it soak for another 5 minutes. Come back in, scrub, and 9 times out of 10, that's going to be what it takes to finish the job. I may have to go over it a third time in some of the really bad cars. Thank goodness I don't get many of those anymore. Then I will follow the vac up with a dry microfiber, mop up as much remaining moisture as I can, and then set out to dry. And the microfiber does another job for me, helping stand all the fibers of the upholstery one way, where the tip of the vac has them pointing in all different directions in a pattern. So this helps make a nice uniform look to the seat or the carpet or the floor mat, whatever you're working on. So here you can see a huge difference between the area we cleaned, and now the whole bench seat is cleaned and just about dried and ready to go. All right, guys, again, that was Angelwax Absolution. There's no need to entirely rinse the product out of the carpet or out of the cloth seat when you're done removing the stain. When it dries, it feels natural and soft. It has a great scent. It does a really good job with spot removal. 16 ounces for $16.99. I'm going to put a link down below if you want to look into it further, if you want to add something to your arsenal that is really helpful getting you through interiors quickly. This may help you as it helped me. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.